In this video, we will complete the exercises of chapter 8, North America, location, area, political and physical features. So, come to the exercise. Okay, first fill in the blanks. A narrow stretch of land that joins North America to South America and separates the Atlantic Ocean from the Pacific Ocean. Here will be Isthmus of Panama. Isthmus of Panama. Second, the tropical island called the West Indies are located in these seas. Here will be Caribbean Sea. Physical division of North America around the Hudson Bay, which has the oldest known hard rocks of the world. That will be the Canadian or the Laurentian Shield. Now, fourth, a river that flows northwards and drains into the Hudson Bay. River Nelson. Here will be River Nelson. Now, identify who I am. Okay. In one word answer you have to write. I am a city in North America which is symbol of unity, history and democracy. Here will be Washington DC. Here will be Washington DC. I am an island at the entrance of River Hudson where the famous Statue of Liberty is situated. Okay, here will be Liberty Island. Here will be Liberty Island. I am the city which is world famous for its film industry, Los Angeles. Here will be Los Angeles. Fourth, I am the city which has the Hidden Canal. Here will be Ottawa. I am the city of Canada which was once the world's leading grain port. Here will be Montreal. Okay, now you have to give geographical reasons. Okay, why? The 49-degree north latitude and the 100-degree west longitude are important for North America. Okay, you have to give geographical reason why these are important. So this is in page number 79. Okay, come to the page number 79. Okay, page number 79 here. The 49-degree north latitude marks the boundary between Canada and the USA. The 100-degree west longitude near Winnipeg is also important as it passes through the center of North America. Okay. Now come to the next. Second, the Western Cordilleras form part of Pacific Ring of Fire. This is in page number 85. Okay, 85. Okay, from here there are many active and extinct volcanoes and hot springs within the system. It is also a region of earthquakes. In fact, lying very close to the Pacific coast, it forms part of the Pacific Ring of Fire. Now, come to the third. The Appalachians appear as low hills today. So this is also in page number 85. Okay, page number 85. Okay, from here you have to write the Appalachians are old fold mountains and were once higher than the Rockies. However, glaciers and rivers have eroded them over millions of years. This is the geographical reason. Now come to the next. Lumbering is traditionally done in the winter season. Why? This is in page number 88. Okay. From here you write, lumbering is traditionally done in the winter season when the sap in the trees is frozen, making it easier to cut trees. This is the reason. Now, answer the following questions in brief. Very short answer to write. Name the Italian explorer who reached North America in 1507 CE. So it will be Amerigo Vespucci. Amerigo Vespucci. Name some of the islands that are collectively called the West Indies. That is in page number 80. Okay. Okay, come to the page number 80. Here you have to write, the tropical islands of the Caribbean Sea are collectively called the West Indies. They include Cuba, Jamaica, the Dominican Republic, Haiti, Puerto Rico, and few others. This much you have to write. Now, question number 3. Why is New York an important city in the USA? This is in page number 82. Okay. 82. Okay, from here, New York is a leading industrial center with industries such as textile, chemicals, engineering, shipbuilding, food processing, printing and publishing, sugar refining, and jewelry. So this is very important city. Now question number 4. Where are the Great Lakes situated? So here you have to write, Great Lakes are situated east central in North America, east central region of North America. You have to write east central region of North America. And which river drains these lakes into the Atlantic Ocean? So river name you have to write St. Lawrence River. Okay, St. Lawrence River. You have to write in a full sentence. Where is the Grand Canyon situated? Why is it so famous? This is in page number 85. Okay, page number 85. Okay, a river canyon is the most familiar type of canyon. The Grand Canyon of the Colorado River, which is about 2000 meter deep and 480 kilometer long, is world famous for its beauty and majesty. This much you have to write. Now come to the question number 6. Okay, write about the largest river system of North America. This is in page number 86. Okay, page number 86. So from here you have to write, in the United States, the slope of the plains is northwards and it is drained by the Mississippi, Missouri rivers, which flow into the Gulf of Mexico. The Mississippi Missouri rivers form the largest river system in North America. So Mississippi Missouri river basin, this is the largest, you can say, river system of North America. Now answer the following questions in 1 or 2 paragraphs. In a long answer you have to write. List the 4 major physical divisions of North America. Describe any one of them. Okay, this is in page number 83. Okay, North America's 4 major physical divisions are, you have to write these 4 divisions. Okay, these 4 divisions, and about one you have to explain. Okay, you are free to explain. Okay, there are 4 physical divisions. About any 4, oh sorry, any one, out of 4, okay, any one, okay, you are free to explain. If you are explaining the Canadian or the Laurentian Shield, okay, this 1 paragraph if you are writing, okay, that is enough. Okay, if you want to write in a more detail, you are free to write, but if you are writing only this much, that is also enough. Okay, now come to the next question. Number 2. Why is the Canadian Shield region full of lakes? Name any 3 lakes other than the 5 Great Lakes. Okay, already 5 Great Lakes are there. Other than any 3 you have to write. This is in page number 90. Okay, from the points to remember, okay, this one you have to write. The Canadian Shield is composed of some of the oldest known as the hard rocks of the world. The surface of the shield consists of many deep depressions formed by scraping and scoring out by the moving ice. These depressions have been filled up with meltwater to form many freshwater lakes such as the 5 Great Lakes. Other 3 lakes names are like Lake Winnipeg, next Great Bear Lake and Great Slave Lake. 3 these lakes you have to write. Lake Winnipeg, Great Bear Lake and Great Slave Lake. Now come to the next. What are the various categories of lumberjacks? What kind of work do they do? This is in page number 89. You have to write about the lumberjacks. Okay. Okay. So 4 types of lumberjacks are there. Okay. And their descriptions you have to write. Okay. High riggers and saws or the buckets and skidders, and there is a halyards or transporters. Okay, about the high riggers, swearbuckers and skidders and haulers or the transporters. Okay, about these 4 you have to write, and transporters you have to write only this much. These are the people who ensure the transfer of logs down of river till they reach a sawmill or factory. Only this much you have to write. If you want to write a whole paragraph, you are free to write, but if you are writing in this topic this much, that is enough. Now come to the next or the last question. Describe how the lives and the work of lumberjacks have changed in modern times. Okay, this is in page number 89. Okay, from here you have to write. The life of the lumberjacks today is not as difficult as it was in the past. because of the use of power driven saws, okay, powered cranes and automobiles. Therefore, lumbering today is a primitive activity. Okay, this much you have to write. Okay, and come to the next. And picture study you have to do yourself. Okay, picture study you have to do yourself. Okay, thank you.